Hello friends, it's Melissa from the Drawer RVA, and today's video for you here on YouTube is all about simple painting, okay? We're gonna take it back to the basics. We're gonna choose one color, one finish, one gel stain, and you're going to be able to achieve this in at least one day. Maybe a bit longer depending on your dry time and humidity for your gel stain, but this is a fast, simple furniture flip. So since the silk mineral paint has a built-in top coat and a built-in primer, it does go on a little bit thinner. You're gonna find that it's a little bit slick and looks a little bit shiny as it dries. This is all good stuff because once you get those two even coats on, remember waiting 2 hours in between coats of paint, you're gonna find that your furniture literally glows.